In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a temperature display to the Voron Zero 3D printer. If you're printing ABS, it helps to know what temperature your enclosure is at, so that you're sure it's heat soaked enough and your print's going to stick to the bed. This build adds a digital thermometer to your printer. I bought my thermometer from Aliexpress for a few dollars. I'll put the link below. For this mini build you need 3 printed parts. The STLs are on Printables, the link's below. 1 M3 10mm bolt, an M3 nut. First step is to add the sensor. Feed the sensor from under the floor alongside the left Z-axis linear rail. The holder should only grip part of the sensor so you get a good accurate reading. Attach the holder to the side of the maker beam with the M3 bolt and nut. Then slide the sensor down the maker beam until it's level with the hot end nozzle. The next step is to add the digital display. So to do this, we replace the front right skirt with the newly printed one and feed the display through the hole. Pick which angled mount you plan to use. I use the 40-degree mount, but it really depends on how you sit in relation to your printer and how high the printer is, whether it's on a table or higher platform. So choose the one that best displays the temperature when you're going to use it. There's a 60, 50 and 40-degree mount, so there's a bit of variation there. Or you could just mount it completely flat without one of the angled mounts. Once you've fed the display through the skirt, then feed it through the angled mount and clip the mount onto the skirt. Then slot the display back into the mount. And the last step is just to tidy the excess sensor wire that'll be under the printer. Then it should all be good to go. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.